this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. Most of the time we feel comfortable with the clothes we get stitched by ourselves or by the tailor. Even I don't prefer wearing ready-made clothes more often, but we are always short of designs. So here I bought few trendy outfit designs for you all, which will surely help you to decide the pattern you can make from your unstitched fabric. So let's quickly jump to the video to know how you can style those fabrics as well. So friends, I hope you liked today's dress patterns. If you want more such videos, then please support me by subscribing my channel, and also do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.